Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Have you heard the news? Elon Musk is making headlines, but not for the reasons you might think. Today we will talk about one of the most shocking news stories of the year. Elon Musk became the world's first person to ever lose $200 billion. So, stay tuned and find out what happened. Elon Musk is one of the world's wealthiest businessmen and entrepreneurs. At the start of 2020, his net worth was around $27 billion, but it has since skyrocketed. The Bloomberg Billionaire Index currently pegs his wealth at $240 billion, making him the richest person in the world. Musk owns about 14% of Tesla and 279 million exercisable shares of SpaceX, valued at over $100 billion. He also holds an estimated 74% of Twitter, which he purchased for $44 billion. According to Forbes, Musk's net worth as of January 6, 2023, is $140.1 billion. Causes of Elon Musk's loss. Elon Musk has become the first person ever to lose $200 billion in 2 years. This is due to a combination of factors, including Tesla's stock price dropping from its peak of $650 per share in February 2021 to $433 per share in January 2021. Additionally, Musk's investments in other companies, such as Twitter, have also seen a decrease in value, leading to a combined total wealth loss of $200 billion. Musk has been selling off shares in Tesla and other companies as a result, and is currently the second wealthiest person in the world, behind only Jeff Bezos. In the last month alone, Tesla's stock dropped more than 18%, and SpaceX saw its valuation cut by almost 10%. But what were the primary factors that caused such a drastic loss? The most direct cause is Musk's declining influence over his companies, particularly Tesla. Despite consistently outperforming analysts' expectations, Tesla failed to reach its own production goals in 2020. This resulted in many investors losing confidence in the company and selling off their shares, ultimately leading to a decline in Tesla's stock price. Another major factor that contributed to Elon Musk's financial losses was the COVID-19 pandemic. Both Tesla and SpaceX have seen significant disruption due to travel restrictions, supply chain issues, and other changes that came with the outbreak of the virus. For example, SpaceX was forced to delay some planned launches due to pandemic-related safety concerns. These delays had an immediate impact on Musk's finances as they reduced revenue from both companies and further dented investor confidence in them. Finally, Elon Musk has also been hit by market volatility resulting from political unrest and global economic uncertainty in recent months. These developments have caused investors to become more cautious about investing in tech stocks, resulting in further losses for Musk as he was forced to sell off many of his assets at below market prices. It is clear then that there are multiple causes behind Elon Musk's staggering $200 billion loss. Poor performance from his companies as well as disruptions caused by the pandemic, coupled with general market volatility, all played their part in this outcome. Impact on Tesla, SpaceX, and other businesses. The sudden loss of $200 billion from Elon Musk's wealth has had a significant impact on the success of his companies, such as Tesla and SpaceX. For example, Tesla stocks have taken a hit since the news of Elon Musk losing billions broke. This is partly due to the fact that shares in Tesla are closely tied to Elon Musk's personal wealth and his ability to invest in other companies, both of which have been severely impacted by this financial loss. At SpaceX, many projects have also been put on hold or even canceled. These projects included plans to send humans into space, build an orbiting satellite internet network, and explore Mars with robotic rovers. It is unclear what will happen with these projects now that the investment from Elon Musk is not available. The impact of this loss has also been felt beyond just Tesla and SpaceX. Other businesses owned by Elon Musk, like The Boring Company and Neuralink, are likely to be affected as well. it can be assumed that some investments in these companies may be reduced or even eliminated depending on how quickly Musk recovers from his financial losses. Impact on the stock market. The rapid loss of wealth experienced by Elon Musk in 2020 had a noticeable impact on the stock market. In just 2 days, the tech mogul's net worth dropped from a record $180 billion to just under $175 billion. This marked a significant decrease in value and caused some shockwaves in the investing world. On November 2nd, Tesla's stock price dropped by 8%, leading to Musk losing around $7 billion. This was largely attributed to Tesla's disappointing earnings report, which missed investors' expectations. The same day, shares of SpaceX saw an even more dramatic drop of 14%, as these two companies are major contributors to Musk's wealth. This sharp decline caused his net worth to tank. This was only the beginning of Musk's woes, as he then lost another $8 billion on December 22 when Tesla's stock price plummeted following news that the company had been excluded from joining the S&P 500 index, an index comprised of the 500 largest companies in America by market capitalization. Overall, it can be said that Elon Musk's plummeting fortune have had an observable effect on the stock market. His losses have been felt heavily among investors and have left many scratching their heads as to why such a drastic change has occurred so quickly. Potential future implications. The potential future implications of Elon Musk's $200 billion loss are far-reaching. It is unclear at this point how long it will take for the effects to manifest, but it is certain that the repercussions will be felt for some time. One of the most likely outcomes is that Tesla and SpaceX may have difficulty securing future investments due to the huge financial hit Musk has taken. This could mean that their advances in electric vehicles and space exploration could be significantly slowed down, as there may not be enough funds to continue their ambitious projects. Another consequence of Musk's loss is that he may have less influence over other companies with which he has strong business ties. For instance, Musk owns 17% of SolarCity, a company that provides solar energy services and products, and his loss of wealth could affect SolarCity's operations and future investments. We may also see an increased level of risk aversion within markets all over the world due to diminished confidence in Musk's ability to make sound business decisions following such a large personal setback. Finally, Musk's loss could lead to reduced consumer confidence when it comes to investing in Tesla stock or any stock connected with his name. If people become wary about investing in companies associated with him, it could lead to decreased market interest in Tesla or any other business associated with him. As a result, these companies may experience a drop in stock prices or find it difficult to attract new investors who are willing to take risks on these types of investments. The story of Elon Musk's historic loss of $200 billion certainly comes as a shock to many, especially considering his immense success. From the overview of Musk's wealth to the causes of his loss, it is clear that this setback will have far-reaching impacts not only on Tesla, SpaceX, and other businesses, but also on the stock market as a whole. While it is difficult to predict what the future holds, one thing is certain. Elon Musk's $200 billion loss serves as a reminder that no one is immune to financial hardship. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more exciting videos.